Some sad statistics. Over the past 250 years, 571 plant species have become extinct. But there is good news too. More than 400 species which were previously thought to be extinct were seen again. The fact is that rare plants often live in places where no man has set foot, such as the steep cliffs of Hawaii. And to save them from extinction, you need a device like this. On the screen is a collaboration between Canadian and Hawaiian experts. This drone with a robotic arm helps collect enough material to grow rare plants in the local botanical garden. And then the newcomers are replanted in the wild, thereby increasing their number. The drone was successfully tested in wind gusts up to 23 miles per hour. The first tests brought the scientists 11 samples of 5 plant species, which can't be collected without a drone. So, let's wish the team good luck in saving the flora of our planet. Our next stop is Norway. This country is known for its extensive fishing and shipping industry, as well as for its offshore oil and gas production. Not surprisingly, this multi-purpose robotic device appeared there. It has many applications, from port security to seismic surveys and fish population assessments. The model is flexibly adjusted to the customer's tasks. These are the basic characteristics: maximum speed of about 14 miles per hour, 25 days of operation at about 4 miles per hour, and 4G, SATCOM and Iridium support. A special control station is supplied for monitoring. It can be transferred from shore to a ship if necessary. The interface is user-friendly, and the station will also automatically notify you of any problems, such as the risk of collision. And the slogan of the device consists of just 3 words: the unmanned future. Let's see what the Japanese engineers are up to. They have once again surprised us by thinking out of the box. After all, how do engineers usually improve drones? They increase the size, put in higher capacity batteries, more powerful engines, and so on. But the Japanese took a different approach. The JSK Lab team from University of Tokyo built a robot dragon that changes shape in flight and is fittingly called the Dragon. Tests have shown that the drone is able to carry weights of at least 2.2 pounds, move objects, and even turn valves. Both segments and propellers of the robot rotate, so it is able even to curl into a ring or shape itself into a spiral. However, there is a lot of work ahead. According to the team, their dream is to create a flying humanoid, something like an unmanned Iron Man. Canadian Robotics also has something for us. A local company built a robotic arm that gives injections without a needle. But today, we want to talk about this universal platform. It allows you to create a robot for a variety of tasks. The main task of the platform is to help in research projects, so they made it as open as possible to everything new. You can easily install cameras, lidars, manipulators, sensors, etc., whether you design them yourself, buy them from other brands, or from the manufacturer. And unique self-designed programs or existing ones can be integrated without any problems. The ROS software add-on, which allows you to do this, is installed at the factory. The standard platform can carry up to 165 pounds of payload at up to 2.2 miles per hour. It's already being used by hundreds of scientists and engineers around the world, and the data obtained have provided the basis for many scientific papers. We are visiting an American company that manufactures septic tanks and various fiberglass products. Things are going well for them. The company has almost 150,000 square feet of production space. And it makes sense. After all, wastewater collection and treatment are important to homeowners and businesses alike. The septic tanks offered by the company are divided into 3 categories: pump, standard, and AIO. Maximum installation depth is 48 inches, and the capacity is up to 1,500 gallons. High-quality polyethylene and ribbed designs allow you to work without internal skeleton support, and the septic tank is resistant even to sulfuric acid. Also, the company's septic tanks can be installed in areas with a high water table. And the lifetime warranty is a nice bonus. This product is no less useful. This rotary tiller attachment is ideal for hard-to-reach places and areas that are inconvenient to work in. The working width of the model is 8 inches. The manufacturer notes the high-strength steel and the possibility to work with different types of brush cutters. For example, in this video, you can see the cordless electric model Ego, which allows up to 86 minutes of work, depending on the battery. Altogether though, it's quite a load on your hands. The brush cutter, even without the battery, weighs about 7 pounds on average, and the attachment will add another 4.8 pounds. So it's worth choosing models with a belt attachment system and fine-tune the length of the handle for optimal balance. And then you can start fighting weeds with confidence. From small projects to ones that can change the lives of a huge number of people, did you know that by 2030, the EU can achieve an incredible figure? 80% of energy will be obtained without the use of fossil fuels. So, this development is very important and can become an excellent complement to wind turbines and solar panels in the future. The name of the project is Wave Roller, and its idea is to generate energy with the help of waves. It's being developed in Finland, and the current progress is as follows. Depending on the location area, the capacity of each block ranges from 350 to 1,000 kilowatts. The units can be placed in water depths ranging from 26 to 66 feet. The machine is installed up to 2,187 yards offshore, and each unit is independent, allowing separate units to be supplied for remote farms, lighthouses, and other infrastructure. The operating principle resembles the opening and closing of a door. A huge paddle moves a hydraulic cylinder, and the electric generator works thanks to the pressure in the system. The project is funded by the EU, and the team's work, according to the website, spans 4 continents. Even though we're in the 21st century, many countries still have problems with hot water. In 2022, the supply is limited even in Germany, one of the reasons being the shortage of energy resources. And in France, the situation is even worse. There are even plans to turn off hot water in the toilets of public buildings and reduce the temperature of water in public swimming pools. So, the population needs a solution, and the manufacturers of solar hot water systems came to the rescue. This system is environmentally friendly, economical, and convenient. New materials have made these systems 20% more productive, and modern pumps require a modest 28 watts of energy. Also, manufacturers didn't forget about safety. There's an automatic release of excessive pressure system, and you can lock the maximum temperature. A security guard is a very popular profession. For example, in Russia in 2019, there were about 600 to 700,000 licensed security guards. Of course, modern technology makes routine inspection of any territory not only more efficient, but also more interesting. A striking example is this Russian robotic security guard, based on the universal Venom platform. Powered by electricity, the robot can be charged from an ordinary 220-volt outlet. Abandoning the gasoline engine made the robot much less noisy, which is important for a security device. Remote control in combination with artificial intelligence facilitates patrolling in bad weather, and the license plate recognition system simplifies tracking vehicles. The price is $11,151. This invention owes its appearance to a technology from the 19th century. Back then, French physicist Gabriel Lippmann figured out how to make color photographs, and today, that technology has inspired scientists to create this film. If you stretch or squeeze it, it changes color, which opens up incredible prospects for use. Smart bandages, unique food packaging, artificial leather, solutions for builders and architects, unusual wearable gadgets, even clothes that change color. This development was created by a team from MIT. An important additional advantage is the ease of production in large quantities. Another development from the same institute, a sticker to perform an ultrasound of internal organs. The future is already here. If these stickers become widespread, doctors and patients will be able to monitor the condition of organs and implants from their smartphones in real time. So far, a sticker works for about 48 hours, and you can walk and do sports with it without any problems. It's about the same size as a stamp. It consists of a standard hydrogel, a membrane to hold it in place, and a sensor. In the future, patients will be able to apply the stickers themselves and upload the data to the system, where they'll be checked by an AI system. Thanks to this, it'll be possible to find out at home if there are any problems and what to pay attention to. Specialists at the University of California, San Diego are working on a similar project. It's also a patch. However, its purpose is slightly different. It monitors blood pressure, heart rate, as well as levels of glucose, caffeine, and alcohol. This is the first wearable device that works with such a set of parameters. The innovation is especially important because of the pandemic, as many people are less likely to go to the doctor because of isolation measures. Let's say that you're monitoring your blood pressure and you see spikes during the day and think that something is wrong. But a biomarker reading could tell you if those spikes were due to an intake of alcohol or caffeine, said a member of the research team. The group doesn't intend to stop either. They plan to create a patch with even more sensors that'll record biomarkers of various diseases. Agricultural land covers about a quarter of Belgium's territory, and local engineers created this robot to help gardeners, farmers, and landowners in general. The first deliveries aren't scheduled until 2025. But you can already pre-order the robot for $4,000. The robotic gardener will mow the lawn, sweep, clean up trash, harvest, and do other useful things. More than 100 tasks will be available. In addition, there are plans to release more than 60 different tools specifically for the robot. One charge is enough for 6 hours in the standard version, and 8 hours in the Pro version. Both versions will please you with artificial intelligence and a 4K camera. To teach the robot, there will be an app called Starlight. It's as straightforward as possible and doesn't require any programming knowledge. Hey, you can see AI at work in your home. Isn't that just amazing? The makers say.